Okay, class, today we're going to learn about English. Hey, hey, teacher, can I go to the bathroom? Sure, Ben. Be back soon. No, it's here. When you think I'm going to the bathroom? Well, I'm going to pull down the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. And first, I'll pull down the fire alarm. Here I go.
Oh my god, there's a fire drill. Come on, students. Stop screaming and let's go outside. Outside. I'm checking your safety. Ding dong. Attention all students. There's a student named Taki Ben. The school can't close down the fire alarm.
Oh my god, Taki Ben, how dare you pull down a fire alarm just because you're lying about going to the bathroom? You're suspended for 5 weeks. Go home right now. When Ben got home. Oh my god, Ben, how dare you pull down a fire alarm? You know, pulling down a fire alarm is dangerous. You're grounded.